And take a look at the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, traction control, navigation system, power tailgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.